Ew! What is that thing?
It's a box of worms. That's so gross. Stop! Please don't touch it. Oops. No! No! No, no, no! Peter! What happened? Anna, look. I put fresh soil in last night. Peter, you named them? Yes. This one is Max. This one is Dot. You named your worms? They're important, Anna. Every one of them. Okay, sure they are. Don't laugh. They make our food. I'm not laughing. You're smiling. A little. Anna, if the soil is healthy, the plants will grow. Where did you learn that? The library book. And I watched them for 2 weeks.
Peter, time for breakfast.
Coming, Mom. Hey. I think it's a good project. Really? Really. Now go eat.
Eat fast. We leave in 20 minutes.
Peter, did you sleep?
A little. I was checking on the worms.
Checking on them?
To make sure they were okay, Dad.
David, don't ask.
What? Okay.
Dad, earthworms are important.
I know, buddy. Do you really know? Or are you just saying that? I really know?
He read the book, Peter. 3 times. Okay. Good. He's gonna be fine today.
Of course he is.
Of course.
What if nobody stops to look?
Then you explain it to them.
What if they don't care?
Then you care enough for everyone.
That's a lot of caring.
You can do it.
Okay. Table 7. Here we go. It looks good, Peter. Really. The sign is a little crooked. It's fine. Whoa! Look at Tyler's rocket! That's amazing. Mine is just a volcano. It took me 3 weeks to build. Hey, what's that? Is that dirt? It's a box of dirt. It's not dirt, it's soil. And there are earthworms inside. Earthworms? Like real ones? Yes. They're alive. That's not science. That's a garden. earthworms are science. Hey guys, come look at this. Peter brought worms. Gross. Ah, gross. Why would anyone bring worms to a science fair? Because they're important.
Important? They're just worms, Peter.
If the soil dies, the plants die. If the plants die, we die.
Okay. Whatever you say, worm boy.
Don't call me that.
Worm boy, worm boy, worm boy.
Tyler, stop!
Oops. My bad.
No!
Whoa, they're everywhere.
Tyler! What did you do?
I didn't mean to. It was an accident.
You just stepped on them!
They're just worms.
They are not just worms. Peter, are you okay? I lost 2 of them. I lost Max and Dot.
Peter,
I only have 3 left. Come here. I'm okay.
Peter, do you want to leave?
No.
Nobody will know. We can just...
No, Anna. I want to stay.
Even though they laughed?
They laughed because they don't know.
And what if they keep laughing?
If I leave now, they will never know.
Peter, you don't have to prove anything.
I'm not trying to prove something to them.
Then what?
I'm trying to prove something to me.
Okay.
If I stay, maybe one person will listen.
And if nobody listens?
Then I still said it.
You're a strange kid, you know that?
Mom says that too.
Come on. Let's go back. Hold my hand, okay?
I'm 8, Anna.
I know. Hold my hand anyway.
Hello. My project is about earthworms. Boring. Earthworms live under the ground. We don't see them. Why are you talking about worms? Because they are important. Without earthworms, the soil loses its life. I can't hear you. Speak up.
Earthworms are small. But small things can be important.
Are you done yet?
Without healthy soil, plants cannot grow. We know, worm boy.
And without plants, we cannot live.
That's my project.
He's still out there. He's still talking.
Let him finish.
David, they're laughing at him.
I know.
Should we go in?
If we go in now, he will think we don't trust him.
I just don't want him to get hurt.
He's already hurt. But he's still standing.
He's braver than I am.
Don't tell him that. His head will get big.
David.
I'm serious. Let him do this.
Okay. We stay here.
If the judges don't stop at his table, we go in.
Deal. Oh. Hello. Are you a judge? I am. Why earthworms?
Because nobody sees them.
Go on.
Without them, the soil dies.
Yes.
Without soil, plants die. Without plants, we die.
And yet nobody sees them.
They work in the dark. I just wanted someone to see them.
Did I say something wrong?
Second place goes to Tyler Briggs for his rocket model.
Yes! Yes!
Congratulations, Tyler.
Peter, are you okay?
Yes,
You didn't get a prize.
I know.
And you're okay?
I said everything I wanted to say. That's enough.
Peter, come here.
Mom, I'm fine.
Really. I know you are.
I'm proud of you, buddy.
Even though I didn't win,
Because you didn't leave.
I need to pack up now. I'll help. The 3 worms are okay. They made it.
Good. Excuse me. Are you Peter's parents?
Yes. I'm David Miller. This is my wife, Emily.
I'm a soil biology researcher from a university research lab.
Oh. Hello, Dr. Chen.
I owe your son an apology.
I'm sorry?
The committee voted against me. They said earthworms are not scientific enough.
Not scientific enough?
I disagreed. I still disagree.
What do you mean? Exactly.
I have studied earthworms for 40 years.
40 years?
Your son explained their role better than most of my graduate students.
Peter? Did that?
If you come to my laboratory, you will see things most scientists never see.
You want to invite Peter to your lab?
Not to work, just to look. If he comes, he will understand something important.
This is very unexpected, Dr. Chen.
Here is my card. Think about it.
Emily. Look at this card.
Cornell University.
If this is real, it will change everything.
David.
She's a real scientist.
Peter doesn't know yet. What's happening?
Wait. Not yet.
They made it, Anna.
Yeah, they did.
Peter? Come here, please.
What is it, Dad?
Do you know who that woman was?
The judge with the magnifying glass?
She's a scientist. A professor at Cornell University.
She didn't give me a prize.
No. But she wants to invite you to her laboratory. Her laboratory?
To show you her research. Her earthworms.
She studies earthworms?
For 40 years. 40 years?
She said you explained things better than her students.
I just read the library book.
Peter, do you want to go?
I'll go.
Really? Just like that?
Yes. But I want to bring Tyler with me.
Tyler? He broke your project.
I know.
Peter. He stepped on your worms.
He didn't know about them. That's why he stepped on them.
I don't understand.
If he comes, he will learn. And maybe next time, he won't step on them.
That's kind of amazing, Peter.
Go ahead.
Tyler,
Oh. Hey, worm boy.
do you want to see what's inside the jar?
I thought I broke it. I'm sorry, okay?
It's okay. Do you want to see? Why would I want to see worms? Because they're the reason we're alive.
Fine. Show me. The small things keep the world alive. So do small people. Is that from your project?
It's just something, I think.
Anna, pass the salad, please.
Peter. Eat. You've been very quiet.
I'm thinking about the lab. I wonder what we will discover there.
If we go on Saturday, we will bring the jar.
And the worms?
The worms, too. Peter was really brave today.
I was scared.
Brave doesn't mean not scared. It means you stay when you're scared.
He stayed when it was hard.
And he discovered something important.
No. Dr. Chen discovered ME.
Ha.
That's exactly right. I didn't want to lose you in that hallway, little brother.
You almost made me go home. You wouldn't have gone. No, I wouldn't.
He lost his worms. But he didn't lose himself.
No, he didn't.
What small thing do yo think is important, Tab, but nobody notices? Write one sentence in the comments. My favorite answer gets a shout out next week. See you next time.